Hello my lovely subscribers and welcome in today's video, and today we're going to continue with the verb to learn. To learn in Luganda is okuyiga. Once again, to learn in Luganda is okuyiga. Okuyiga. Good. Remember, to learn means to get knowledge about something. Once again, the verb to learn means to get knowledge about something. Kino kitegeeza ki mu Luganda? To learn mu Luganda kitegeeza okufuna amagezi ku kintu era n'okuyiga. Once again, okufuna amagezi, to get knowledge, okufuna amagezi ku kintu era n'okuyiga. In other words, to learn in Luganda is okuyiga. Obaako kyoyiga, either ng'okisoma oba ng'okiyiga practically. So to learn in Luganda tugamba okuyiga. Okay, let's see how this verb to learn changes with different tenses. Remember, we looked at present tense, present simple tense, present continuous, past tense, and future tense. Once again, the tenses, we looked at them. We have present tense, we have past tense, and future tense. Okay, so present tense chechi. Present tense eyogera ku ebyo ebiri current, there and then. Eyogera ku ebyo ebiberawo regularly oba each happening there and then. So present tense, it talks about things happening within that specific time or happening every day because it is present tense. Okay, so present tense, ekigambo kino to learn kikyuka kitya? With present tense, it can be learn. It can also change to learns or learning. Once again, with present tense, this word to learn or the verb to learn can change to learn, learns, or learning. Examples. Remember, present tense, they further divide it into present simple tense and present continuous tense. Once again, present tense can have present simple tense and present continuous tense as we saw in previous videos. Let's start with present simple tense. Present simple tense, with present simple tense, this verb to learn remains as learn, or it can change to learns with present simple tense. Once again, with present simple tense, this verb learn can be learn or learns. Mu present simple tense, ekigambo kino kisobola okubeera learn oba learns mu Luzungu oba oyogera ku ebyo ebiriwo at that time. Okay, let's have a look at some examples in present simple tense. Number one, we have I learn English every day. I learn English every day. Every day means buli lunaku. So I, whenever you're using I, you say I learn English every day. This in Luganda is injiga oluzungu buli lunaku. Once again, injiga oluzungu buli lunaku. Some people say inze injiga for beginner level, but intermediate we use injiga because N represents you. Injiga oluzungu buli lunaku, every day. She learns mathematics. She learns mathematics. So whenever using she or he, you use she learns in present simple tense. She learns mathematics. She learns mathematics. This in Luganda is ye ayiga okubala. Once again, she learns mathematics. In Luganda kigenda kuba ye because of she. Ye ayiga okubala. Even if you use he, the same thing you would say ye ayiga okubala. Okay, so that is how learn remains or changes in present simple tense. Let's look at present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, at times we refer to it as the now tense. It talks about things happening right now, there and then. So present continuous tense, we say I am learning English. So the verb, you add ing to it. So I am learning English. She is learning English. We are learning English. So I am learning English. In Luganda, this is ndi kuyiga Luzungu. Ndi kuyiga Luzungu. You, yourself. Okay, that is how learn changes with present tense. Let's look at past tense. Past tense. With past tense, this verb learn changes to learnt. Once again, with past tense, the verb learn changes to learnt. An example, I learnt English last month. I learnt English last month. This implies that is past tense. Learn changes to learnt. Are we together? So learn kikyukamu learnt mu past tense. Past tense ayogera ku ebyo ebyayita. Okay? So I learnt English last month. Kigenda kubeera nayiga. Nayiga Oluzungu omwezi oguwedde. Nayiga Oluzungu omwezi oguwedde. That is, I learnt English last month. She learnt how to drive. Once again, she learnt how to drive. Ye yayiga okuvuga. Ye yayiga okuvuga. She learnt how to drive. So that is how learn changes with past tense. Let's look at the future tense. With future tense, it talks about things that will happen. Things that have not yet happened, but I expect it to happen in the next time. So, I will learn English tomorrow. I will learn English tomorrow. I will learn English tomorrow in Luganda is inja kuyiga. Inja kuyiga. So, inja kuyiga. Something has not yet happened. Inja kuyiga Oluzungu encha. Inja kuyiga Oluzungu encha. I will learn English tomorrow. They will learn how to cook. They will learn how to cook. So they will learn how to cook in Luganda is bajja because of they. Bajja kuyiga engeri y'okufumba. Once again, bajja kuyiga engeri y'okufumba. Okay, so that is how the verb to learn changes with different tenses. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.